Hey guys, Junior here with PRP Seats. I'm here to walk you through the process of installing your new PRP seat covers on a 2016 to 2018 Mercedes Sprinter van. Our seat covers bring a whole new look and feel to your interior. The tools needed for this installation will be a straight pick, needle nose pliers, a Phillips screwdriver. A looped end wire tool is recommended for this application but is not needed. In this video, we will be going over the installation of both driver and passenger seats. First, identify the bottom portion of the driver cushion. Grab that part, place it loosely over the driver's seat. Then you will identify the drawstring coming out of that cover. If you have made your looped end tool, use it for this application. Using the tool, guide the drawstring between the pad and the plastic cover of the seat towards the back. If done correctly, you will be able to reach around the seat and grab the looped end tool together with the drawstring. Repeat the process on the other side. Once you have completed this step, proceed to lay the cover stretched evenly throughout the entire bottom portion of the seat. Make your way to the back of the seat and using your needle nose pliers, pull some of that material towards the back. This will help stretch the material laying on top of the seat and give you a better finished look. Grab the looped end of your drawstring and guide it the tabs located on the flap that you just pulled. Once you've ensured that the drawstring has been pushed through all three tabs on that lower cover, use the non-looped end, put it through the looped end of the drawstring, and pull. Once you've got that snug, proceed to making knots securing that tension on the cover. The next step is removing the headrest on that driver's seat. For the top portion of this cover, you will need to start by placing the cover over the armrest. From there, move to the top of the cover, ensuring that the cutouts on the top of that seat go around the plastic guides for the headrest. Then, move towards the bottom of the seat, tucking in the excess material towards the back. Here, you will see you have an opening for the airbags on the side of your seat. If the opening on that airbag is on the inside of your seat, you've placed the wrong cover for the seat. Always make sure your airbag opening is on the outside. So if you're on a driver, make sure it's on your left side. If you're the passenger, it's on your right. From there, you can continue to the back of the seat. Here, you'll find a similar process to the lower cushion, guiding that drawstring through the tabs on the bottom portion of the seat cover, adding in some knots to secure that tension. Once that tension is secured, proceed to grab your excess drawstring and guide it through that top notch located towards the top of the cover as displayed here. Loop it through itself once, tighten it just enough to stretch the material evenly. Once you've got that just right, add some knots for security. At this point, move back to the front of the vehicle and make sure your airbag opening is laid properly. Sometimes the material will bunch up there. It's no problem. Just reach in there, lay the material flat so you get a nice even look. Next, we will move over to the armrest. For this step, just slide the cover over the armrest itself, tucking in excess material towards the inside of the seat. The back portion will have some Velcro strips. Make sure to align those properly to give you a nice finished look. Proceed to recline the seat as far forward as possible. Once you recline the seat as far forward as possible, your next step will be to reinstate the plastic back on the seat. You will first need to identify the openings for the tabs on this plastic portion. Once identified, align the plastic backing, snapping the cover into its place. Relocate your Phillips screw on the bottom portion of that plastic cover. You may need to use the pick at this time to align that plastic backing to the screw location. Once you found that opening, relocate factory screw. Having completed this step, let's move on to the headrest. Reposition the headrest back onto your seat. Grab your headrest cover and slip it onto your headrest. Remove the headrest from the seat. The bottom of the headrest cover will have Velcro strips. Align those strips, making sure the cover is laid evenly. Once you've completed this step, repeat the process for your passenger side seat. Once you've completed this, the only thing left to do is admire your interior. We hope this video proved useful to you. If you have any questions, please visit our website at prpseats.com.